Hey guys, this is Quentin. I know you see what that black guy that's on Minecraft, it's an Enderman that's hanging on my craftsman, half horsepower, belt-driven garage door opener. I'll show you what the model number it is. It's a 139.54920. I have this remote here. I'm gonna press this button. I do love this remote. I didn't like that when I was an 8-year-old, but I do now. That one shows off in 2014 Mojang. Was I correct? I don't know the word Mojang. The Enderman whooped. And the horse and the zombie pigman and the pig, the horse and the pig and the zombie pigman are watching the Enderman. No, Enderman, said the horse. You're not, I'm afraid you're gonna fall. Don't worry, Enderman. What? Horsey and pig? What are you doing? Are you watching this Enderman hang on an ovalite? That's not an ovalite. That the zombie pigman. I used to call it an ovalite. This body, if there's a 2-leg cover, but if it's 1-leg cover, I call it oval square. But that shape is an oval. If you look on the bottom, it's kind of like an oval. Yeah, isn't it interesting to have my opener? This is the wall button right there. Watch the Enderman hang and go down. It never goes down, but you know, it takes a ride. Oh no, I'm about to fall. The Enderman shrieked. Ah, I'm falling. The Enderman shrieked. The craftsman opener said, don't hang the opener on, don't hang the black guy what is that guy? It's an Enderman. Don't hang the Enderman on my rope. Otherwise it will pull and fall and make the garage door fall. Oh no, I see you have strength. Opener strength. I see you having strength. Ah! I'm falling! Don't do that! I think the Enderman is gonna fall. Oh no, craftsman opener. Hello, craftsman opener. I am an Enderman. Why did he put you on the garage door opener? I don't know. The Enderman said. Oh, he's getting me off. Great, the craftsman opener said. He said. I'm glad we're safe. I can be with my enemy friend, a zombie pigman. Why are you on a garage door opener that he tied you? Because I don't know, but maybe he's going to find out if it's going to fall, if I'm going to fall or not. But I didn't fall or anything. The Enderman screamed, don't do that to me next time, the craftsman opener said. Alrighty, okay, let's move on to something else, the craftsman opener said. Yeah, me. What do Yeah, all 4 of them said, let's all move on to something else. But, well, now I'm gonna go back home, and the horsey and the pig will go back to their farms. The end. Alrighty, I know you saw my upside down emergency release handle. Okay, I'm gonna shut the video down. And don't forget to subscribe. And take care, everyone. And peace out, everyone. Bye. That I made a story. Peace out. Bye.